step into the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear parking aid, heated rear seat, premium sound system, ABS, leather steering wheel, power door locks, power windows, and steering wheel audio controls. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.